Hello guys, it's your favorite appliance doctor, Dr. Mbulani Mafadi. We are in Netherlands. We have this baby right here, this LG. So the client is saying she just had a knocking sound, something just broke and then the machine stopped. So upon investigating, as you can see, already this pulley is damaged. Look at this. The pulley is damaged. For sure, something was seized for this pulley to be damaged. So upon inspecting, the gearbox is seized. So the problem is the gearbox. As you can see, it's not moving at all. It's supposed to be washing now, but nothing is happening. So our gearbox is gone. It's seized, and then the motor was pulling by force, and then everything just broke, as you can see. So we need to replace the gearbox and this pulley. The belt looks fine, but we're gonna change it because it's a rule of thumb when you're changing the gearbox, the pulley should be a new belt. So stay tuned, guys. We know what we're doing. We know what we're doing. We are professionals. Give us a call, guys. Sharp.